Hello friends, welcome to Perfect Classes. Today we will start with 18th, 19th and 20th question of Arithmetic Progression exercise 5.2. The link of the previous questions is given in the description box. Started with the 18th question. The sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find first three terms of the AP. In this question we are provided with the sum of 4th and 8th term. So A4 plus A8 is 24. Now A4 is A plus 4 minus 1D plus A8 is A plus 8 minus 1D. By using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. Now by solving this we get 2a plus 3 and 7. 10d is equal to 24. Taking 2 common, we get 2 into in the bracket a plus 5d is equal to 24, or a plus 5d is equal to 12. This is the first equation provided by the question. Now we are also provided 6th term and 10th term sum. A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. So A6 is A plus 6 minus 1D and A10 is A plus 10 minus 1D, which is equal to 44. So by solving this we get 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. A plus 7D into 2 by taking 2 common, our second equation becomes A plus 7D is equal to 22. Now from first and second equation, when we have to subtract 2 from first, 2 from 1 and second equation from first equation, we get a plus 5d is equal to 12, a plus 7d is equal to 22. Sign change. 2d is equal to minus 2d is equal to minus 10, or d is equal to 5. Put value of d in equation first, we get a is equal to minus 13. Here we have to find AP. So AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, where a is first term, a plus d is second term, a plus 2d is third term. So a is minus 13, second term is minus 13 plus d is 5, third term is minus 13 plus 2 into 5 is 10, and so on. So our answer is minus 13, minus 8, minus 3 and so on. This is our answer. Next is 19th question. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees and received an increment of 200 rupees each year, in which year his income reached rupees 7,000. In this we are given first term, that is A, 5,000. Here he received increment of 200 rupees, So our common difference D is 200. Now we have to find the in which year his income reached 7,000. So we are given with AN. AN is 7,000 and we have to find the year. So here we have to find N. By using the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. AN is 7,000, A is 5,000 plus we have to find the value of N, so write it as it is, minus 1, value of D is 200. This plus becomes minus 5,000, so here becomes 7,000 minus 5,000, we get 2,000. 2,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. N minus 1 is equal to 2,000 divided by 200. We get 10. N is equal to 10. N minus 1 is equal to 10. So we get N is equal to 11. So in 11th year his income reach rupees 7,000. This is our answer. 20th question is Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of her year, then increased her weekly savings by ₹1.75. If in the nth week her saving becomes ₹20.75, find N. Now in this question we are given with A is equal to 5 as his first saving is ₹5. So the first term A is 5. She increased her saving by ₹1.75. So common difference D is equal to 1.75. In the nth year her saving becomes 20.75. So nth term is 20.75 and we have to find the value of N. By using the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D, we find value of N. AN is 20.75, A is 5, value of N is to be finded and so write it as it is, N minus 1, and D is 1.75. This plus 5 becomes minus 5 on the other side of equality. So we write here 20.75 minus 5 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. We get here 15.75 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. This divided on the other side. So 15.75 divided by 1.75 is equal to N minus 1. We get by dividing it 9 is equal to N minus 1. Value of N is 10. So in the 10th week her saving become rupees 20.75. This is our answer. Hope you understand the questions. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.